Excuse me, Mama.
Yes, where do you want to go, ma'am?
I want to go to Boromat. Now, could you please drop me Boromat? How long will it take to go there?
Yes, ma'am. It will take to go there 20 minutes from here.
Okay, how much will you take?
I will take 60 taka, ma'am.
Oh my god, 60 taka is too much. Why you are demanding extra taka? I will give you 50 taka.
No, ma'am. I always go with 60 taka. Usual fare from here to Boromat is 60 taka. I can't go for less than 60 taka.
It's okay. Let's go.
Okay, ma'am. Please get up and sit carefully.
Can you please drive a little fast? It is urgent to reach there on time.
Don't worry, ma'am. I will make sure you will reach there on time.
You are such a little boy. Why are you driving a rickshaw? At this age, you should study.
Ma'am, we are poor and due to financial difficulties in my family, I drive a rickshaw. I have to support my family. Ma'am, I study at Porikhon Vidyalaya, PTI in Thakurgan. Okay, ma'am, we have reached. Now we can get down.
Here is your fare.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.